In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create end credits text in CapCut PC. If you need to add a rolling credits scroll, a citation list, or a professional-looking closing credit roll at the end of your project, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. We'll keep everything simple and work directly inside CapCut on PC, so you can build a clean, readable end credits sequence in just a few quick moves. First, let's place the credits text block on the timeline. Move your cursor to the top left area of the interface and click on the Text tab. From there, find the default text block thumbnail, then drag it down into your timeline. Drop it directly at the very end of your video footage, because this is where your credits will appear. Once the text block is in place, click and drag the outer right edge of that text layer to extend its duration. This part is important because your viewers need enough time to comfortably read the full credits as they scroll. Next, let's load in the actual credits text. Go over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Text section, make sure you're in the Basic tab, then click inside the large text input box. Remove the default placeholder text and replace it with your own closing credits, source references, or thank you message. If you're pasting in a longer list, that works perfectly here. Just make sure to press Enter after each line, so every credit appears on its own line. That will help create a neat vertical layout, which is exactly what you want, before applying the scrolling effect. Now it's time to make the text crawl upward like real movie end credits. With the text block still selected in the timeline, click on the Animation tab next to Basic. Inside the animation options, choose the loop category, then scroll through the preset list until you find the one labeled Roll and click it. As soon as you apply it, CapCut will turn your static text list into an automatic vertical scrolling credits crawl, moving smoothly from the bottom of the screen to the top in the preview window. At this point, the main setup is complete. You've added the text track to the timeline, entered your credits in the text panel, opened the animation loop settings, and applied the roll preset to create the classic end credits effect. If the scroll feels too fast, simply make the text block longer on the timeline so the movement has more time to play out. And that's it. Your CapCut PC end credits are ready to go.